Bitcoin SV value expectation synopsis. There truly is pretty potential for Bitcoin SV cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as most certainly high as $0.0986 toward 2025 in a kind of large manner's end. With the really current cost of $49.70, Bitcoin SV especially holds its ground on the lookout, reasonably in opposition to mainstream thinking, which truly is very huge. Long-haul examination recommends that Bitcoin SV cost might actually flood to $44,540.73 by 2050 in a by and large essentially significant manner, which generally is genuinely critical. The negative cost expectation for Bitcoin SV, BSV, in 2030 most certainly is $717.20, with a sort of really possible pretty exceptionally high of $844.36, which basically in a real sense is very critical in a significant manner. The cost of one BSV would sort of for the most part reach as beautiful high as $32,118.33 United States dollars by 2040, which certainly explicitly is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. Starting around 23 December 2023, Bitcoin SV basically in every practical sense is exchanging at $49.70 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in most recent 60 minutes, exhibiting that with the very sort of current cost of $49.70, Bitcoin SV generally really holds its ground in the market in an unpretentious way, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. BSV generally has an essentially exceptionally complete market cap of $973,444,312, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $47,176,564. This certainly sort of makes Bitcoin SV, BSV, fundamentally really positioning at 69 in the digital currency market in a genuinely huge manner, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the event that you especially in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally for the most part is the Bitcoin SV cost expectation end of 2040, what will Bitcoin SV essentially sort of be certainly worth in 2040, which in a real sense really is very huge in an unpretentious manner. Is Bitcoin SV a very wise speculation or quite of worth purchasing in 2040 in a genuinely huge manner in a significant way? Will BSV cost truly generally outperform its unsurpassed high, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking? These fundamentally in every way that really matters are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for BSV's future, which basically in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV, BSV, value expectation 2040, as per the Bitcoin SV conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the BSV cost in every practical sense fundamentally is supposed to cross a kind of extremely normal value level of $51.20, the normal outrageously least value worth of Bitcoin SV, toward the finish of the decently genuinely current year, ought to basically be $46.81. So certainly long-haul investigation proposes that Bitcoin SV cost might actually flood to $44,540.73 by 2050, especially lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, BSV can in a real sense arrive at a very especially most extreme value level of $52.66, which by and large certainly is genuinely critical, or so they thought. BSV value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Bitcoin SV explicitly truly is supposed to fundamentally sort of arrive at an all things considered, truly least value worth of $46.81, quite as opposed to prevalent thinking in a huge manner. The BSV cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially truly most extreme cost of $52.66, with the in every practical sense, genuinely normal cost around $51.20, which is very critical, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin SV especially sort of past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense, generally has been by and large diminished by 1.77% in its really current worth, which certainly for the most part is very huge, or so they explicitly thought. In the event that we in every practical sense, especially look at the by and large certainly current market cap of the BSV with yesterday's, you can by and large generally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, showing the way that the BSV cost could arrive at in every way that really matters. Truly greatest cost of $52.66 with the by and large normal cost around $51.20 in a fundamentally extremely enormous manner in a significant manner. From essentially by and large most recent 7 days, the BSV by and large truly was in especially excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 0.21%, so the negative cost expectation for Bitcoin BSV in 2030 actually certainly is $717.20, with a truly likely sort of high of $844.36, which explicitly fundamentally is very huge. Bitcoin SV basically by and large has shown extremely lovely, truly impressive in every practical sense, potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to sort of in a real sense dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that in the event that we certainly fundamentally look at the truly current market cap of the BSV with yesterday's. You can fundamentally generally see that the market cap truly is likewise down, showing the way that the BSV cost could entirely arrive at a sort of genuinely greatest cost of $52.66, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost around $51.20 in a sort of lovely significant manner, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin SV value conjecture 2040 facts. What will by and large for the most part be Bitcoin SV by and large really worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner in a genuinely huge way? The BSV cost in every practical sense, in a real sense, is gauged to truly arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $52.66, with by and large in every practical sense, least cost of $46.81 toward the finish of 2040, showing how besides BSV can explicitly fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest value level of $52.66, which is very huge. Does Bitcoin SV in every practical sense truly have a future in an unpretentious way in a sort of significant manner? As far as value, Bitcoin SV generally has a remarkable especially potential to in a real sense explicitly arrive at new levels, showing how certainly long-haul examination recommends that Bitcoin SV cost might actually flood to $44,540.73 by 2050. Especially lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way. It most certainly explicitly is conjectured that BSV will increment in esteem, or so they especially explicitly thought. As per fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business experts, Bitcoin SV can generally essentially raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $0.2142 till 2030, so for the most part in a real sense is Bitcoin SV, a fundamentally sort of wise venture, or sort of really worth purchasing in 2040. Which generally is genuinely huge, or so they in a real sense thought. Is Bitcoin SV certainly in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2040 in a by and large fundamentally significant manner, in spite of mainstream thinking? Bitcoin SV's worth explicitly